Hey friends, today we're diving into one of the most mysterious yet versatile candlestick patterns out there, the DOJI STAR. It's a tool many beginner traders overlook, but once you get the hang of it, it can seriously level up your trading game. Here's what you'll learn. How does the DOJI STAR work? Why is it better than some other candlestick patterns? And most importantly, how can you use it to turn red numbers into green gains? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's start with the basics. A DOJI STAR is a candlestick pattern that shows up when the market is stuck in indecision. Its signature feature? A tiny or non-existent body, which means the opening and closing prices are almost identical with long wicks on both ends. The DOJI STAR typically appears at the end of an uptrend, signaling a potential reversal and a price drop, or at the end of a downtrend, hinting at a reversal and a possible rally. This makes it a favorite among traders as it helps identify key entry and exit points. Look for a candle with a small or non-existent body and long wicks. This shows a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers. Check if the DOJI stands out in the overall chart structure and always confirm its significance using the next candle or indicators like RSI or key support resistance levels. Here we are in the terminal, ready to dive into some charts. Example number 1. After several green candles, you notice a DOJI STAR forming. This signals buyers losing control and sellers gaining momentum. If the next candle is red, it confirms a bearish reversal. Example number 2. After a series of red candles, a DOJI STAR appears. This shows sellers are running out of steam and the market is ready to reverse upwards. A green candle next? That's your bullish confirmation. It may seem simple, spot a DOJI, confirm with other indicators, and act, but patience is key. Every pattern needs context, and you must verify trends carefully. Don't forget, we've got other videos packed with insights to help you master these techniques. Here's a strategy to add to your arsenal. When a DOJI STAR forms near critical support or resistance levels, its signal becomes more powerful. For example, at a resistance level, an upward DOJI STAR can indicate a great shorting opportunity. At a support level, a downward DOJI STAR might be your buy signal. If you notice a spike in trading volume when the DOJI forms, that's likely a sign of big players stepping in, making a reversal even more probable. The DOJI STAR is a straightforward yet effective way to gauge market sentiment and pinpoint moments to enter or exit trades. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments, have you ever used the DOJI STAR to nail a winning trade? Or maybe there is another pattern you'd like us to break down. Let's talk about it. Catch you in the next one.